Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the two different smartphones which are having the dual stereo speaker setup, one on the top and one on the bottom as well. So I'm using the POCO X3 for the close to I think more than 50 days of usage this phone, and the Realme X7 Pro has been recently arrived in my channel, and this I think first 2 days of using this Realme X7 Pro as well. So stay tuned for more videos as well, and in this video I'll be comparing this loudspeaker between both of the smartphones, and let's see whether the Realme X7 Pro has any vibrations or not. But that vibration comparison I'll try to do in another separate video if you are interested to know about the vibrations, because the POCO X3 has some kind of vibrations going on the back side with a high volume. So if you want me to do that comparison, do comment below. I'll try to do the video as well as soon as possible. And here is the sound meter bar, which is here, as you can see here. And right now I'll try to play the same audio in both the phones, and let's see friends which phone will have the better audio output as well. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper and use this 4D live wallpaper as well, try to check the links in description, so where you can find the playlist for the wallpapers and which looks pretty good in your smartphone. So let's get started with a comparison of this one. And before that, let me try to show you this model exactly. So this is a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, as you can see, 8GB variant. So the backside looks kind of close to 7 Pro as well. So that's why I'm trying to show you the about phone settings as well. And let's compare side by side the audio output. Let me try to open this music player here right now. And it is a sound meter bar here. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. So right now you can see friends, I have placed my sound meter bar exactly in the middle, so between both the smartphones. So let's see which phone will give us the maximum volume output. So let me try to play first in the Realme X7 Pro device. So increasing the volume to the maximum gradually, so you can keep monitoring this sound meanwhile. I think the maximum came up to 98 and 97 in this Realme X7 Pro. So now let me try to play in the POCO X3 smartphone. And in case if you want to download this music equalizer in the POCO X3, try to check the links in description as well for the Android playlist applications. You can find this application. So both the volumes are kind of close to each other, the results are. So now let me try to keep the mic a little bit close to the loudspeakers, and let's test the which loudspeaker has a better output as well when the mic is very close. So I'm not pressing very hard, so that's why I'm leaving a little bit kind of close to the phone only, not pressing too much. So let me try to even check the top speaker in the Realme X7 Pro device. So now next step is to block one of the speakers, and let's see the sound quality from the one speaker only. If you block that bottom speaker or if you block the top speaker, so you should know what is the final output you will get with the one single speaker. So now let me try to block the bottom one. So now let me try to do it same in the POCO X3 as well. So now let me try to play the audio one by one, continue randomly in both the phones, so you can clearly listen to the audio at same time. So let me try to play once in one in the Realme X1 Pro and once in the POCO X3 device. So now friends, this is a quick loudspeaker comparison between both of the smartphones, and final results are both phones are very good in terms of the loudspeaker capabilities, and both are very good close to each other. And only the final doubt regarding the loudspeaker is that the vibrations on the Realme X7 Pro, is it kind of close to POCO X3 or it is less or more. So I'll try to do that one in another video because I don't want to make this video very lengthy. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.